A few days ago, I asked you guys for your help in building another The Fuck Did I Just Hear compilation, and you guys came through big time. Here is the product of your work.
Delicious looking dick from sorry about that. Delicious looking dish from Rick there. Pork, yeah.
Bobby, I want you to meet my colleague, Dr. Hamilton.
And I'd like you to get the fuck out of here.
It's all
Get out of here. You deaf? Get out of my room. Get out of here, bitch. Get out of here.
Penis! Don't say penis in this house! Penis! No! Penis! Big fucking erect penis, no! Mom! Penis! Penis!
Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding.
It makes me feel better. Wait. Elmo could find Rocco.
Hey, Elmo, that is a great idea.
But hello, Chris. Rocco could be anywhere.
Thanks again to everyone who contributed.